Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do an easy everyday wearable look. I know that I tend to do a lot of Instagram colorful looks all the time, so I kind of want to do something for everybody. So today we're going in with the Ace Beaute Grandiose palette. This came in the November Boxy Charm, and we'll open it up. So the first shade we're going to dip into is going to be this shade right here. And then we're going to go up top here and go into Cinnamon. So I'm going to use that cream shade just to use as a transition shade, just to lay all the colors down and be able to blend them very easily. Like I said, I know I tend to do a lot of Instagram looks, and that is really where my heart and my passion is, but I want to do something for everybody. I do have an older crowd that watches me, that are teachers and they go to office work every day, so I need to cater to y'all as well. So now we're going to dip into that Cinnamon shade, and what we're going to do here is just place this on the outer corner and work this in. We're just going to give our crease a little bit of definition, and we'll just blend it back and forth and blend it up just so you can see it above the crease, and then a little bit onto the outer corner. And you can use this with any shadow you want. It does not have to be a brown. It can be a burgundy, orange, purple, whatever color you prefer. And you guys, you can take this out as far as you want. You can make it as smoky as you want. You can keep it normal. You can do whatever you want with it. Just a very easy look today. And if you wanted to, you could dust this all over your lids and call it a day, and boom, you're good. So the next shade I'm going to go into is the Jasmine shade right here. And if you wanted to, you could even use the lighter color, but we're just going to go in with our finger, and we're just going to place this on the inner of the eye and blend it out with our finger. Okay, I'm going to dig back into that Cinnamon shade, and I'm just going to take a little bitty brush, and I'm going to just use this as the outer liner, just to give it a little bit more definition on the outside of the eye. And if you don't want to wear eyeliner, you can always use eyeshadow as an eyeliner. It makes the step a lot easier, or you can just wear liner, and it's whatever you prefer. And then once we have that done, I'm actually going to bring this down on my lower lash line as well. And I'm just going to go about halfway. You can go all the way if you want. Then I'm going to take my fluffy brush and just kind of blend this out. Okay, and then you just can curl your lashes and put some mascara on, whatever mascara you like to use. Or you can also throw on some lashes with this and go on about your day. You guys, this is just a very simple tutorial. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to become a VIP and subscribe to my channel before leaving. You guys have a very blessed day. Remember, you might be the only Jesus that someone sees today. So go spread some love and kindness, and I will see y'all again very, very soon.